Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Paystack Payment Acquirer in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This module for Odoo seamlessly integrates Paystack's secure payment gateway, enabling businesses to accept payment via cards, bank transfer, and mobile money. This module automates transaction processing, update order statuses in real time, and ensure a smooth checkout experience, ideal for businesses in Nigeria, Ghana, and across Africa. It enhances payment efficiency while providing a secure and user-friendly solution for managing online transactions within Odoo. First of all, we need to go into the website. Here, under Configuration, we will find the menu for Payment Provider. Click on that and here you can see different providers. Here you can also see a Paystack Payment Provider. Enable the state of this provider and under Credentials, enter your secret key. After this, we will hop on to the shop from homepage. Here you can see the menu for shop. Click on that and add products into your cart. Here I will be selecting individual workplace as my product and you can see it is added into the cart. Click on view cart and here you can see the product in your cart. Click on checkout to proceed and here you can see a delivery method. Confirm and now select your payment method. Select Paystack. After that, click on Pay Now and here you can able to make your payment from Paystack. Here you can see different methods. We will go into the cart and in here also you will get different option. We will select Success and we will click on Pay. After that, you can see your payment is successful and here you can see the reference number. You can see your order is placed with this order number and your all the payment information. After this, we will go into the configuration. Here you will find a menu for payment transaction. Click on that and here you can see a transaction is made. You can see the reference, payment, amount, payment method, provider and every single detail of your transaction. Here you can see the transaction is in confirmed state. Here you will find the sale order button. Click on that and here you can see a 38 number sale order is created for your order. In order lines you can see the history of your order and also in the log note you can see every little detail. Not only from here, if you go into your Paystack dashboard and just refresh it, in transaction you will find the transaction we just made. Here you can see the amount, here you can see the customer, reference, the channel which is card and the date and time on which it is paid on. And not only here but in your mail also you will get an email saying your payment is done. Here you can see every single detail of your payment with your amount, your reference, your date and your card number. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.